Had to pull up over here at the dock house, man. Gotta get Goldilocks ready in case we decide to do a little ride today. Yeah, do a little sprucing, give y'all a little bar, you know, let y'all see how it's gonna go down at Hub Week. So we gonna hang out with Posse today and let y'all see how Posse Cycle Works operate, baby. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a whole day full of festivals coming to you. That old yellow right there. One of the fastest bikes that ever been known to race in LA right there. Old school. You know what I mean? She held it down for many, many moons. That bike right there caused a whole lot of problems. This bike is what got everybody out there building engines now. People don't even know. See that right there? Y'all watch out for. Coming to this backyard if you want to. I don't know if you're gonna make it out safely. But that's 175 pounds of pure anger, ready to tear your ass up. Believe that. That's the doc right there. That's the man with the plan. The man that started this racing stuff right there. That's Posse. Yeah, we gonna hang out today. Have a little fun. Top City Week, man. Y'all stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? See what happens at the end of the day. See how this week gonna turn out. So we finna go get some oil right now. And then we finna get some oil and we'll be right back. Welcome Doc to the YouTube channel. We're gonna really let y'all see what goes on behind closed door, man. This is like, we gotta get permission for this footage, you know what I mean? This is fast race stuff on. You know what I mean? This is my dog, John. Oh, we try the day started, huh?
Yes, man. Nigga ain't leaving the club out till about 4 o'clock in the morning. You know old school shit.
No, I don't know, cause y'all was cleaning up. I thought y'all was I thought everybody.
We clean up, but that don't mean we leave. We still be there.
Oh, okay. Well, we had to get some rest, man. Get some energy for the day. You know what I mean? You know, we started early this morning. What time y'all getting started?
I'll get my life together. About to head to the clubhouse about 2 o'clock. I'll be up there. We doing shit. Pull up, just hang out.
Okay. What you talked to Hammer yet?
I ain't talked to him yet.
Oh.
I ain't talked to him yet.
Okay.
I'm from there, so I'm about to hit him too.
Right. I just tried to tap his line. I don't know if he got off the plane or not or whatever. Are they driving down or he flew down?
Nah, he flew.
Okay.
Yeah, he flew.
Did he bring him some? Did he send some equipment with us? Did he bring some equipment down?
I don't think he did.
Okay.
If he did, he ain't tell me.
Okay. It's gonna be
he might have snuck some shit down.
Right. All right. Well, you know, we en route right now. Me and the doc. You know what I mean?
Okay.
We done hooked up early this morning. You know what I mean?
Damn.
Yeah. Nah. We done hooked up early this morning. We just having some fun, man. We gonna make the best out of this weekend, man. You know what I'm saying? They know we ain't got out. You know what I mean?
Hey, poppin' about time, baby. already?
Oh yeah, you know, I had. Hey, look, man, I had to go get the president, man. I had to go get him, man. You don't never see Eminem without Dr. Dre. You know what I mean?
Yeah, all the time, man.
Yeah.
We just posse outside.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Hey, I called Doc last night when I got off. I say, Doc. He say, what up, Pop? He say, I'm ready. What's going on? I say, boy, you killed me with that bullshit. This motherfucking ass be on point, boy. I be like, whatever. Hey, he said, hey, he beat me to the house damn near. I say, boy, I can't. How can I lose? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So yeah, we on our way down here, man, and go grab a few little items, and we be back, and then we gonna tap in with y'all later on, man. Make sure you keep me on deck, keep me online. You know what I mean? Let me know all the moves. Yes, sir. In that order, man. You know what I mean?
Come on, man. I got you, love time.
Okay, I got you.
All
All
right.
right. We pulled up at Huntington Beach, Harley. Messing around. Everybody know the Doc. You know what I mean? Oh, okay. He look just like him. Oh, okay. Been a long time since I bought me a new bike. Okay.
I'm just gonna put these wires on here to see if it stops that sputtering.
Hey man, I'm over here getting on the ground right quick.
Okay, so what's the plan?
I gotta go by the clubhouse and pick my retired patch up, and then I'm going to the swap meet. I'm gonna tighten my A game up. I'm back at the clubhouse at 6.
Okay, you going to what swap meet?
The one in Carson.
Oh, what you got to do over there?
I gotta get this motherfucking retired patch sold off.
Oh, okay. You put it on or you pulling it off? What you put it on?
Yeah, what the fuck you mean when I put? You ain't got shit to put it on. Don't encourage me to get it.
Man, don't have me fire this motherfucker up that we just got through. You know what I'm saying?
Hey,
Yeah.
I ain't gonna give you mercy today.
Who is that? Huh? Oh, okay. Where was he at yesterday?
He was there. He ain't like he ain't seen you. In the back there with he played too much, Pop. I heard you in the back there with that motherfucker. Nigga always smoking weed, the big dude.
Chuck. I did. You right.
130.
In and out for the what?
88 to the 130.
In and out for the what?
Win.
Hello. It ain't gonna be every day we can do this. Feel me?
Berglund PR.
Yes, sir.
Love yourself, love wine.
Love yourself.
Love wine! Happy Father's Day. Love you.
Every time I look, I thought he was done. I look, he said, don't stop, don't stop. Bro, don't stop, don't stop. I look, I think that's a part, that's my money he throwing. You throwing my money? Damn, nigga throwing some of my money. I ain't saying, look. She turned up, this her birthday. I'm like, look. He said, you ain't Porsche.
Oh, shit.
That nigga stupid. He said, only know about 200. You is a crazy individual.
Calm down, big homie. Calm down, big homie. We got you.